Made it before you come. Come on. Made it before you come.
Today, me and my friends are playing a new game we found called Regretelator. You gotta like go through different levels of elevator. It's pretty cool. And if you like, make sure you subscribe, please. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh God. Give me a move. That's mine. Mine's.
Pumpkin.
No, bro. Give me a cat, bro. Oh my God, y'all lame. Oh, joke.
Y'all niggas be trouble, bro.
Nigga scared me, bro. This rat gonna eat us, nigga.
Nigga, why is there a rat?
Alright, I'm generally f***ing out right now, bro.
Wait, do we have to find Kate? Wait, what do we have to do in this
know
game?
which exit I'm
Watch out,
supposed to
Blizzard,
go.
watch out.
Why are there so many fucking rats?
Get a nigga eating on you, bro.
Oh shit.
They probably walked through the wall. Yeah. Oh, this is Minecraft music, nigga. Yo, give me that cat, nigga. Give me that cat right now. Drop it.
Hell no, this nigga
Drop
my
it.
shit.
Drop it. I'm not playing with you, pal.
Where's Queso?
Nigga, drop the cat. Bro, let me get the white one, bro.
Bro,
Let me get the
I'm
white one,
not
bro.
dropping that shit.
Bro, give me the cat, bro. Oh,
Fuck you need the cat for? How you even drop it?
I don't even know. He's gonna have to die. Niggas in here talking about straight nothing. This nigga walked.
But
Who birthday is it?
It's yours.
Happy birthday, day. I mean, it's gonna be my birthday next month, so I appreciate it.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Bro, can I get
Press
the cat, bro?
options R1.
I want the cat, bro.
Bro, I guess you don't want the cat.
Bro, he don't. RBN don't want. That's evil RBN. This nigga head flew off. Oh God.
Why are both y'all built like a woman?
Cause we are one, nigga. Literally, RL, bro. Literally, I've been talking to a shorty this whole time, bro.
This nigga RB and don't know what the fuck. Hating now.
Stop trying to give this nigga a cat, bro. His head flew off, bro.
Watching pretty
What?
Bob, you're disgusting, nigga. You're disgusting. You're disgusting.
What did he say? What did he say? Wait, hold on. Watch out. Something crazy.
Don't walk forward. Don't walk
Why do you know
forward.
Something crazy.
Don't. This nigga Arby's gonna die. He's gonna die. Arby, you're gonna die. Oh.
Told your dumb ass not to do that.
Oh God. Bro, stop trying to give her a cat, bro. She don't want that.
Kiss him, bro.
Okay, but... Ooh, there. What is it saying? What's this? Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. Get ready, bro. Get ready, bro. It's the aliens.
Oh, it's still. Funny muffler.
You gotta open it. You gotta fix the generator.
What the
Fuck. Oh my God.
Yo, how am I supposed to get past that, fam? How am I supposed to get past that? The nigga grabs me. He grabs me.
How am I supposed to get by?
Wait. Oh!
What?
It's kind of like red light, green light.
This purple nigga.
These niggas are too fast, bro. These niggas are too fast, bro. These
Bro, I
niggas
found
are
a
too
cat,
fast,
bro. I found a cat.
Bro, give me the
purple nigga.
Nah, I'm going over the way. I'm going the other way, bro.
I fucking hate this damn
Did he kill you?
vacuum cleaner. This room. What the fuck are they called?
Why is he really
room,
To the
motherfucker.
room.
There's so many
I was
alien
playing
cats.
red light, green light, and
But let
motherfucker
me
that
get
just
it. I want
grabbed
an
you.
alien cat. I want an alien cat. Dude,
I
the
just lost my cat.
Roomba killed me. The Roomba killed me. Oh my god.
Doesn't feel good.
But get out the corner. Look at this nigga. Yo, Busy Dato, Busy Dato. Busy Dato. AKA what?
This big ass blue nigga, bro. This big ass blue nigga, bro.
Bro, just go back to the elevator, bro. 'Cause we not even gonna win,
Vibes,
bro.
what the flip? His pussy won't move. His pussy won't move. Look at this nigga, bro.
Personnel, you have failed to reactivate the devices. Your presence is now unlocked.
Why is they invite him, bro? Nigga just sitting there.
Yo, I want the alien, bro. I want the alien cat, bro. Give me the alien cat, bro. That's what's cute, bro. I have to admit, a small creature. Size, it's just enormous to see size. Ooh, shit. What is she talking about? What is RBN talking about, bro? Easy peasy, look at it.
This nigga on some tweaking shit. Word tells you. Oh, Splatoon. How? That's not even possible. How do you already have... Yo, there's no fucking way. How the fuck do you have that much?
What's mine's yours, nigga? What's mine's yours, nigga? Zach, bro, I'm gonna kill you IRL, nigga. Get off the stage, bro. I'm not playing with you.
Fuck that shit. That's mine, nigga. That's mine. That's mine. We can keep going. We can go bang right now, bro. What's up?
I bet. He is 300, bro. And look at AKA. Look at AKA. You shut us up. He's finna win. Wait, we don't even like take AKA stuff, bro.
Black Jiggaboo, get the fuck off the damn steps, bro. Get the fuck off the stairs.
Yo, take AKA stop. Yo.
Oh, look at your points, nigga. We can't even take your stuff, bro. Take it.
That's what I want, bitch ass niggas.
Oh, y'all niggas need.
And that's why you got killed by a damn Nerf gun.
Oh god. Buy the Nerf gun again. Shoot this nigga.
I will buy a red bomb. We all gonna die, bro. You want that to happen? What was that?
What?
No, I'm being so dead serious. Do y'all see them black?
What are you talking about?
There's something crawling on that ceiling. No, I'm being so dead serious.
Well, now.
What's the flesh clone talking about? I found it, yes sir.
Dang it, I'm like halfway there.
This nigga don't even know where we're at, yo.
It was that nigga Walter, bro. That nigga Walter got there, bro. And we left Walter behind.
Walter,
But Walter's gone.
Yo, can you leave, bro? Yo, take RBA. Can you leave, bro?
I don't, bro. I still don't have any joke. What is that on the wall? Y'all don't see that? Y'all don't see that animal on the wall?
Wait,
bro.
hold
I
on.
know
We
not
should
to.
watch out for that. I ain't gonna hold you. We should probably watch out.
Think fast, chuckle nuts.
Watch that happen. Turn around.
Look at the image. Look at the image. Look at the image I sent to the chat. I don't have any drawers on either.
Turn around. Turn around. Misery, turn around.
So guys,
Misery,
look
turn
up.
around. Oh, junk.
So grab it, dickhead.
I can't grab that. Make fast triple nuts.
Man, y'all stupid as hell. Taker. Give me love, nada.
Made it before you pump. Come on. Made it before you pump. He got fluid.
What the fuck, Sackwood?
This was
Get into the
ugly.
bomb.
Dude, just go around, bro. I don't know why y'all go to the middle, bro. Just go around, bro.
Oh shit, I forgot.
I got it.
Vibes.
The love
Okay,
listening to the best hit.
Vibes, you just launched me over, bro.
How the fuck is the landmine moving? That's not even possible.
Smart.
How the fuck is a landmine supposed to move?
Yo, that actually, I was so kind of kidding because I was so bad, bro. No, this is strawberry, bro.
Well, wait, we get help. We get help. Keep doing it.
I was right
Ice
there.
cream. We got some ice cream.
Man,
Y'all
that's
got
some
ice cream.
bullshit. How the fuck are you supposed to drink ice cream?
Just start laughing.
Hey, me and him got something common.
Right. My evil twin, bro. This is my evil twin, bro. That's my evil twin. RB and my evil twin. RB and my evil twin.